Okay,
Vishnu,
thank
how was it? All good? Any doubt from your side?
No, I'm good. Thank you, Samir. Thanks very much.
Okay, okay. So how was the class? Is it good? Interesting?
Yes, it's quite interesting. I've done strings before, but I've learned
Yeah,
new
yeah.
things today. Yeah, I've learned some new tricks
So
today.
just
Yeah.
yeah, just in one day only after learning from Udemy, you have came here, isn't it?
Yeah,
After
exactly.
complete after completing 90% of the Udemy course of introduction to Python programming, and then still in one day only you are learning a new thing, isn't it great?
Yeah, no, that's absolutely great.
Fine, fine, fine. Thank you. Then see you on the Monday, same timing. Okay, fine.
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you.
Bye, bye, bye. Okay, bye, bye.
Okay, cheers. Bye. Bye, ma'am.